Hello, thank you for joining us. Today we plan to do another upgrade for our solar system, and if you have been following us, you see that on our previous videos, we have about 6 panels on the roof, and we needed more energy for our appliances. So currently now we want to top up 3 more panels, though after our previous video we have additional um lithium ion battery, okay, 8 kVA precisely. So we are adding more solar panels to it. The reason is that during the rainy season, which we're about to go into very soon, you will discover that the sun will not be so hot like during the December period. And because we are trying to maintain our energy consumption, we try to increase our capacity so that we can be able to charge our batteries more. So beside me here is this is Jinko panel, okay. So we have two of it here. So as you could see, these are the information. I'll screenshot it, okay. So I'll let me show you the engineers will soon be here. So this is the third one, this is the third one. So very soon I will show you when the engineer comes, as they'll be installing it, they'll be adding it to our previous panel we have. Thank you so much. So this is our batteries and inverter system. Previously our controller got spoiled, so we have to replace it to Felicity Solar. So this is our fan to be cooling the solar system. So by the time they finish the upgrade, we'll back here to show you more upgrade. Thank you so much for watching. So beautiful people, our installers are here, solar installer. You can see them on the roof. So they've started working. Just like I said, we want to add 3 more panels to the roof. So these are the first 3 we have, and they are adding more to it. All right, so they are adding more to it. We have 3 at the other side because this is where the sun set happens. So while this is going on, some additional work are going on for some additional sockets. So that is the sound you're hearing at the background. So this is our street lights, solar street lights. When there is no light in the, when it's evening, it comes on. Okay, so we have another one on the other side. That is the pole there. So once again, this is the information for the Kinko. A good show. Show. So, beautiful people, the upgrade is complete, and let's go and see the work. So, here is our updates. So as you can see, our battery is full. This is 28.3. This is our second battery. You can see this is 100%. 100%. The battery is full. This is just some few minutes past 3. Okay, so aside that, we have our freezers going on. This particular freezer, this freezer is a solar freezer, so the energy consumption is not inclusive. All right, it's not inclusive. So this 11% is exclusive from this freezer. Okay, so it's just our load, and we have another freezer, though currently the freezer is undergoing, we are defrosing it, so that is why it's not on. So total consumption we have now is 11%. Okay, so the energy level from the panel volts currently is 107, so that is 38, about, let's say 42 amps, as in the current condition of the sun. So thank you so much for watching. Our new upgrade is successful. So this is our new battery. This is 8 kVA battery, so we have two of it, the same products. This is 8 kVA battery, 340 amps, so two of them is 16 kVA with 340 amps each. Thank you so much for watching. This is our new updates. All right, our new update for our solar. So the energy consumption we have now is working perfectly. 3 freezers, okay, 3 freezers, TVs, though currently it's just 3 TV that is on at the moment. All right, others are not on. Then fan, we didn't on all the fans, and everything is perfectly working. So if you like this video, kindly like, share, comment, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.